Good day everyone. Today we will be talking about Raspberry Pi. Before we start, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification bell so that you'll get notified for our next videos. The name Raspberry Pi is derived from the fruit name and the phyton. So what is a Raspberry Pi? A Raspberry Pi is a small single-board computer, and by connecting peripherals like keyboard, mouse, display to the Raspberry Pi, it will act as a mini personal computer. Raspberry Pi is popularly used for real-time image or video processing, IoT-based applications, and robotics applications. It is a capable little device that enables people of all ages to explore computing and to learn how to program in languages like Scratch and Python. It's capable of doing everything you'd expect a desktop computer to do, from browsing the internet and playing high-definition video to making spreadsheets, word processing, and playing games. So what's more, the Raspberry Pi has the ability to interact with the outside world and has been used in a wide array of digital maker projects, from music machines and parent detectors to weather stations and tweeting birdhouses with infrared cameras. We want to see the Raspberry Pi being used by kids all over the world to learn the program and understand how the computers work. Raspberry Pi Foundation officially provides Debian-based Raspbian OS. Also, they provide Noobs OS for Raspberry Pi. We can install several third-party versions of OS like Ubuntu, Arch Linux, RISC OS, Windows 10, IoT Core, and etc. Raspbian OS is official operating system available for free to use. This OS is efficiently optimized to use with Raspberry Pi. Raspbian have GUI which includes tools for browsing, Python programming, Office, game, and etc. In 2006, early concepts of Raspberry Pi were based on Atmel ATmega 644 microcontroller. Its schematics and PCB layout are publicly available. Foundation trustee Eben Optun assembled a group of teachers, academics, and computer enthusiasts to devise a computer to inspire children. The computer is inspired by Acorn's BBC Micro of 1981. The Model A, Model B, and Model B Plus names are references to the original models of the British educational BBC microcomputer developed by Acorn Computers. The first ARM prototype version of the computer was mounted in a package and same size as a USB memory stick. It had a USB port on one end and an HDMI port on the other. And now, let's talk about the generation of release models of the Raspberry Pi. The first generation is the Raspberry Pi 1 Model B, was released in February 2012, followed by the simpler and cheaper Model A. In 2014, the Foundation released a board with an improved design, Raspberry Pi 1 Model B Plus. Improved A Plus and B Plus models were released a year later. The Raspberry Pi 2, which added more RAM. Next is the Raspberry Pi Zero with smaller size and reduced input-output and general-purpose input-output capabilities, was released in November 2015 for only $5. Next is the Raspberry Pi 3 Model B, which was released in February 2016 with a 1.2 GHz 64-bit quad-core processor, onboard 802.11n Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB boot capabilities. And last is the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B, which was released in June 2019. And now, take a look at their features. So what do you think is the best version that would be suitable for your project? These are the amazing components of the Raspberry Pi. These are amazing projects with Raspberry Pi, from gaming to home automation, robotics, and weather station. If you want to create some amazing projects like this, you don't have to worry about the price. Let's take a look at its price. It only ranges from 992 pesos to 3,996.80 pesos. So affordable. And now, let's take a look of the newest version, which is the Raspberry Pi 4. Is it really better compared to the other versions? A good quality 2.5 ampere power supply can be used if downstream USB peripherals consume less than 500 ampere in total. The Raspberry Pi 4 has undergone extensive compliance testing and meets a number of regional and international standards. According to Avram Pilch, the Raspberry Pi 4 is yet the faster and more functional than any of its predecessors without raising the price. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video and you learned something a lot about Raspberry Pi for today. If you like this video, just hit the like button, and if you want comments and suggestions, feel free to write it down below. And thank you. Have a good day.